In the bright and friendly town of Sunny Valley, a cheerful little child named Milo danced around the kitchen, tummy rumbling and dreams of pizza spinning in his head. Milo loved pizza more than storybooks, more than the sweetest ice cream, even more than his favorite blue socks. One sunny morning, Milo asked Mom, "Where does pizza come from? Does it grow on trees?" Mom giggled, shaking her head. "Let's visit Bella's pizza shop and find out." As they arrived at Bella's pizza shop, the door chimed. Chef Bella, a smiling lady with flour in her hair and a twinkle in her eyes, waved them in. "Ciao, Milo. Ready for a pizza adventure?" "First, we need dough." "Dough is magic in the making," said Chef Bella. She scooped fluffy flour into a giant bowl, and Milo watched wide-eyed as she added water, a tiny mountain of yeast, and a sparkly dash of salt. Swish swish went the spoon. Milo giggled as Bella rolled up her sleeves. "Let's knead it, push, fold, and turn." Together, they squashed and rolled until the dough turned soft as a pillow. "Now it rests, growing big and puffy, like it's napping," Bella explained. Milo tucked the dough in under a towel and hummed it a lullaby. Soon, the dough woke from its nap, plump and ready. Bella dusted the counter with flour, placed the dough on top, and handed Milo a rolling pin. "Let's roll it out into a big circle." Roll, stretch, roll. Milo watched in delight as their dough became round and flat as a pancake. Next came the pizza's bright red jacket. Chef Bella dolloped a shiny spoonful of tomato sauce and let Milo swirl it with a spoon, round and around, until every corner was covered. "This is the flavor layer." Bella cheered. "Now, the cheesiest part." "Sprinkle cheese like snow," Bella declared. Milo grabbed a big handful and showered the pizza with fluffy cheese. Some landed on the pizza, some on his nose. "Cheese melts and gets gooey in the oven," Bella grinned. The toppings came next, a rainbow of choices: pepperoni circles, shiny mushrooms, crispy peppers, and little black olives. "What shall we choose?" asked Chef Bella. Milo picked a handful of pepperoni and bright peppers for color and fun, making a smiley face right in the middle. "Now, for the oven." "Only grown-ups touch the oven, Milo, because it's hot, hot, hot." Chef Bella winked, sliding the pizza in. Milo pressed his nose to the glass and counted to 10, twice. A yumsy smell filled the shop, making Milo's tummy grumble even louder. At last, ding! Out came the golden, bubbly pizza. The cheese stretched like a string, the crust was crispy, and the toppings danced on top. Milo took a careful slice. Bite. Crunch. Wow! Pizza takes so many steps and so much care. Mom nodded proudly. "We mixed the dough, rolled it, spread the sauce, sprinkled cheese, chose toppings, and baked, together, step by step." Chef Bella smiled warmly. "That's how pizza is made, with patience, teamwork, and a bit of magic." Milo's eyes sparkled. "Next time, can we make pizza at home? I can be the little chef." From that day, every delicious pizza slice reminded Milo of their magical adventure, a journey from simple flour to a pizza round and golden, made with love and laughter. And as the last crumbs disappeared, Milo knew the real secret ingredient was making food together. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!